Good
Hello
evening.
everyone. Good
Good evening,
evening.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. Say Arnab.
Ma'am, I bring three latest news.
Latest news. Say.
Ma'am, in Badrinath there is
Good
land.
evening, ma'am.
Why are you always happy about these things? Don't be happy, be sad and say this.
In
It's a
Prayagraj,
landslide. People lost their life. Say second.
ma'am, in Prayagraj there is flood. Ganga Yamuna.
Again, be sad. Make a sad face and say this. Third news.
Ma'am, there is landslide in JK.
GK.
JK, Jammu Kashmir.
JK, Jammu and Kashmir. Oh, then sad. And this boy is happy about it for some reason. Say Shania.
Ma'am, first thing, I'm also from Jammu Kashmir, like the Hindu one, and I'm also from Jammu Kashmir, and also that in the Olympiad, last year question paper, I couldn't do all of the questions because like of the schedule, so I've only done 20. Is that okay?
It's okay. You can practice it. I mean, you can keep. They'll be sharing you more more papers also, so you can practice it. Jia, say.
I'm so excited.
I'm. I have mixed feelings, honestly.
No, not for this. After 10 days, my birthday, so I'm happy.
Oh yeah, for birthday you should be excited. This one is like I'm feeling a little heavy at heart today. I'll miss you people, but then I know we will meet again soon, so that's not a big
You said
thing.
there are gonna be 10 short classes.
Yeah, it will be there in few days. It would start after few days, which will be for the test series. It is called as the match test series, where you people will be doing the test papers, previous year papers, chapter wise with me in the class.
I want
So you need to tell Olympiad success immediately. Okay. I mean, after the class, tell them so that they can start the batch sooner. And I will also not miss you guys much. Say,
Yeah,
Nanika.
sure.
Ma'am, tomorrow is a holiday because in Kozhikode, Kerala, the previous chief minister died.
Oh, yeah, I read about this in the news. That's right. Yeah, yeah. No, we will play games as well today for sure. And we will all have a group picture also if you people remember, right? We'll have group pictures. And today in the games, you all can keep any name you want. You can be in disguise.
The
Say Samriddhi.
champion. Ma'am, what's your name?
Samriddhi Singh.
Your name in the games?
Anything, Nanika, just not anything
What's your
offensive.
name? Yours.
Ma'am?
Oh,
Your
mine. Yeah, I'll also change from winning chicken to something different.
okay.
Yeah, Samriddhi. Sing.
Okay. Ma'am, are we play? Ma'am, what the game are we playing? Blockade or Gimkit? Ma'am, because I
That
got new upgrades in Gimkit.
okay, we'll try to play more. So we will definitely try to cover up 2 games at least. Say Parth.
Ma'am, I'm saying that when I opened the PDF of the previous year paper, 15 to 19 questions are missing.
Missing means of the logical reasoning part.
No, ma'am. After 11, you said that we have to do it from 11.
Hmm.
12, 13, 14, I did. Then I couldn't
Mhm.
find a whole row 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wait. There must be a, what do you call it? This issue.
Numbering.
Wait, I'll tell you.
And ma'am,
Numbering issue. Yeah,
yes,
I think I remember there was some numbering issue once.
yes,
But
ma'am.
which one I don't remember. Wait, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, 15 to 19, there was numbering issue. I was
Yeah.
also confused. So I couldn't submit all of the answers because
That's okay. That's not a problem.
I
I'm
still
okay.
submitted and I got ma'am 5. No, ma'am. There were 15, 16, 17. Yes, ma'am. Including the reasoning one and that misspelled one, I had got 45.
Okay. Fine. Say Tanisha, it's okay about the marks. No problem. You can check the answers there. They have also sent you the answer key. They said me. They told me. If
Yes,
they
ma'am.
haven't,
Yes, ma'am. They have.
yeah. Okay. Fine. So after this is some numbering issue, I'm pretty sure. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then again you have 20, 24. For me, it's fine though. 27, 28, 30, 33. And then 34, 35, 36. Hey, all of them are there for me. Just check once.
Ma'am, from 15 to 19.
From 15 to 19, right? Yeah, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 here. 19 continues here. 20, 21.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
I'm in
Yeah.
9.
Ma'am, actually, I saw all these questions, but the numbers were different. 11, 12, 13.
I'm same. They were
Maybe.
different.
I just directly send them this file only and I told them to share this file only, but not sure what happened. Okay, anyways, if the questions are same, it's not a problem. Aditi, say.
Ma'am, first thing I saw your YouTube channel and you're a crack that channel and in one of your shorts you have traveled all around the amusement parks.
Yes, Aditi. And I also replied back when I opened, you commented. Thank you for that. When you commented, I clicked on that and then I saw your videos. Your unboxing videos are so cool. I also replied you back in my comments only because in your videos, maybe YouTube Kids, right? The comments are off. So that's why I'm not able to write anything in your messages. I mean, in your comments of your videos. But I have subscribed it from both the channels.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And second of all, I'm sorry, ma'am, I did not do it.
That's okay, Aditi. You can do it later. That's fine. Thank you so much, Aditi. Say Aradhya, Purvar. Hmm. I can't hear you, Aradhya, if you're saying something.
Ma'am, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me
Aradhya, I can't hear you.
now?
Yeah, now I can. Go ahead.
Wait a second. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Continue.
I was saying that I couldn't submit the test paper.
That's
I
okay.
did all the questions. I just got one doubt.
Yeah, you can tell me the question numbers which you have a doubt in, and I will be doing that. Okay?
Okay. I
Type
will
it in the chat
send you-
box. Yeah, sure. Say, Sanika.
Ma'am, are you going to be our math Olympiad teacher even next year?
Yes, I teach till grade 9.
But will you be my teacher?
For that, while you're enrolling, you have to confirm it because there are multiple teachers and all the batches have different teachers. So it's not necessary that batch 1 will be with me only. So therefore, don't go by batch number, go by the teacher. So when you enroll next year, ask them that I want to, enroll in the class where ma'am will be there, Priyasha ma'am will be there. So you tell them now only, they will message you when any new batches are coming forward, which has like where I am the teacher. So they'll inform you accordingly.
Okay.
Just let them know about it. Okay. Say, Vedant, next to you.
Ma'am, I just want to tell something to the whole class. Whoever don't want to miss out this batch, just join the reasoning batch.
Yes, ma'am also teaches reasoning, and as you have seen in the previous year question paper, reasoning does come in the exam. Thank you. Say, Shivani.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry I could not finish the mock test because I
It's okay.
had competitions.
Today, last class, you would not hear anything from me. Today, I'm too sad to be angry. Say, Sadhna.
Because
Sadhna, you were saying something? You.
Yes, ma'am, I was in mute. Ma'am, in question number 46 of this mock test only, ma'am, you told in the class that it was like A option, right?
I don't remember. I'll have to see the question. 46, not A option, never.
No,
We
sorry,
were
C,
confused in
C.
these. No, we were somewhere confused in this. I think this was the answer Q. And I said this, but then I said, sorry, dekho, they have written Q below R. So that was the
Yes, ma'am.
confusing part. Yeah, so Q was the answer. I remember now.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, in the
Google
like,
form.
yes, ma'am. In that it was showing B. The correct answer is B when I typed C.
Wrong. That is a mistake. They have done a mistake there. That's okay. I remember this. That's right.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanisha, say.
Sad that today is our last class and I have done 20 questions of the last.
That's good. Don't be sad, Manvig. I'm already, if you write like this, then I'll almost cry. Don't do that. It's okay. We will meet soon. Where are we going? You guys are always connected with me. You open internet, you'll find me. So why to be sad? And for classes, we will join back from Olympiad Success. No problem in that. Okay, fine. Don't be sad. Yash, don't worry. Yeah, Janvi, say quickly.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I could not do the like the previous year questions as I was traveling.
No problem. That's okay. Thank you for telling me. Jia, don't worry. Say Jia again. I was just reading your messages only. I was collecting the doubts, so I read yours. Say.
I was really sad about it. I can contact you, but you cannot contact us. So,
Hey, comments. If you comment, I will reply back. That's a promise.
Ma'am, can we give you numbers?
No, that is
Comment.
not possible.
Ma'am, in comment.
No. Okay, fine. Let's go. Oh my God, who is this? Arnav. These are your doubts. Oh, that's a
Ma'am, I
long
didn't
list.
got answer key.
Ask Olympiad Success to send them. It's in the group. It's in the group.
Ma'am, I'll check again.
You message right now only, they'll give you. Others have got it. That means you will also get it. It's in the group only. Okay.
Okay,
Just check
ma'am.
it once again and tell me. I'll also tell them again if it's not. Yeah, Naman, we'll definitely try. Definitely longer than the last time. Just depends upon how many doubts we have here. Otherwise, we will have it. Aradhya, 46. Do you want me to do 46 again? This one? We can do it. We did it in the class though, Aradhya. I remember this.
absent.
You should have seen the recording, Aradhya. That's not an excuse. Riyanshi, say. Ibrahim, I got your doubts.
Ma'am, last class I was absent, so I couldn't do the mock test.
That's okay. Yash, say.
I could not do the homework.
That's okay, Yash.
And ma'am, in Saturday I'm going to India.
Oh, wow. Nice,
That's why I
nice.
that's why I cannot do the reasoning class.
Oh, not nice. But no problem. It's okay. It's fine. You'll come to India. That's more important. Say, Shivani. Parth, these are the doubts.
Ma'am, you forgot to rename yourself.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. I'll just do it right now. These are the question numbers I collected. Sadhna 32 I'll do.
Ma'am, I have
Adit-
got it.
Oh, got it. Perfect, Arnav. Thank you, Aditi. I'll watch the video for the rest of my life. Oh my God. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Hanifa, no doubts. Lucky because my brother still has you as a teacher. I'm a bit lucky because my brother still has you as his teacher. And thank you so much for teaching us with kindness and patience. That's so sweet of you, Hanifa. Don't miss out. Just make sure that you write these things in the WhatsApp group also there. That will really be beneficial because at least they would send this message to me and I can keep that safe somewhere with me. I would love to keep that as a message from you. Thank you so much. I'll still copy it from here, but I'll still request you if it's possible, you also send it there. Advika, don't cry, please. You don't make me sad, okay? That's okay, Advika. No problem if you couldn't do the test. Say Samriddhi, sing.
Ma'am, I was absent last class, so I couldn't do the mock test. And ma'am, today is my like my uncle's birthday.
Happy birthday to your uncle.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Okay, Jia. Thank you, Jia. Yeah, Samriddhi, say you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today if we are playing game kit, ma'am, could you choose the game?
We'll decide that. We are on it. Let's finish the doubts first, then we will do it. Okay?
Spinning wheel.
Later. No discussion on that, please. Okay. No problem, Sanika. That's fine. Don't be sad, please. Say, Nanika.
I couldn't do the test since I was I had so many classes and I didn't get a break. And my exams are very near, like very close.
That's okay. Fine. Vedant, last one. Then we'll start with the doubts. Thank you, Aradhya, for your message.
Can we do like last time?
Good
Well,
evening.
Like last time, every 3 questions, 1 maths. Every 3 questions, 1 maths. We used to do
This
like
time
that.
it's
I was in
difficult,
reasoning.
Vedant. This time it's difficult because the doubts are many, so we will take some time. I'll try to finish the doubts in like 40 minutes. I'll try. Okay.
I
Good
want it
evening,
in
Bhumika.
20 minutes.
Okay, I'll try to. I will solve all of them so that we do it fast. Okay, that is one thing I can do. Done. Okay, yeah, Arnav, looking at the time, running right now. Don't worry, Tanisha. Please don't be sad. So, Bhumik, say fast, quickly, and no more discussions.
Ma'am,
Shivani last.
did you get my doubts? 3 doubts.
Yeah, I have received it.
But I got 57
These are from this only, no?
out of 50.
Very good, Bhumik.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for a lovely message, Sanika. You're the best teacher, way better than my school maths teacher. You have always taught us with kindness, used polite words, and explained us everything in detail. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for this message. I can't tell you how happy I am to read this. Please. And I'm requesting all of you, please write it there also. They'll send it to me here and I'll keep it framed in a place. So please don't miss out on that. Say Shivani last.
Ma'am, did you see my message?
Shivani, no, sorry. 1 second. I'll just check it now. Thank you for teaching us with kindness and patience. I'll miss you in the math class. Oh, that's so sweet of you. I'll miss you more. But don't worry. I know, as I said,
And
we will
time
meet
is
very, very soon.
wasting. Time is wasting, ma'am.
No, it's not wasting. You find this to be a wastage. You did not write a single good thing about the teacher.
Ma'am,
You don't
I
like me.
was
No.
so happy.
No, wait. We'll just start right now in just 2 more minutes. Okay? Guys, don't raise your hands. Bhumik has not said, so I'll just go to Bhumik. Sanika, you want to say something? Say quickly.
Ma'am, you should change your name because it's showing Olympiad success gave me a heart.
I will. I did not get time only. I'm just collecting doubts and reading the messages and then I'll start the questions now. Say Bhumik. Say Bhumik fast.
Nothing, ma'am. It was by mistake. I am not lower end.
Bhumik, you're talking to me. Why are you raising hand for?
Ma'am, nothing. I forgot.
Okay, that's fine. Bhumik, but question number 11 now. You and other also someone raised question number 11. Guys, this is a reasoning doubt. As I said, we will not be discussing the reasoning paper here in the maths class. It's just one doubt, so I'm taking this doubt. But the rest of the questions, we discuss the same paper in the reasoning class also. So little difficult for me to cover up this, but I'm still taking this one, okay? So let's do this one quickly. And the people who don't know how to do this, just learn it now. Say, Shania, please be fast.
Ma'am, after, can you read my message?
Yeah, sure. Let's do this question and then we'll read it. Okay. And I would need you, and don't miss it out. Just copy paste the same message and send it on WhatsApp. That's very, very important, as I said, because then here I will not be able to save the chat. I want to save it there. Divya is facing towards sports club. So here's the sports club. This is the direction. Now she's planning to take a 135-degree turn. Just for the people who have not done a reasoning class, let me tell you, 135 can be written as 45 plus 90-degree turn. Anti-clockwise means left turns. Okay. So from the sports club, if I take a 45-degree anti-clockwise turn, that is left turn, I'll come to the garden. And from the garden, oh wait, anti-clockwise turn. So left turn goes here, bookstore. So I will come to the bookstore, which is right here. Okay, anti-clockwise is when the time reduces everyone. So this is 10 o'clock. So this is 9 o'clock. You're moving from 10 to 9. Okay. So you come to the bookstore, only 45 degrees. Then you come more 90 degree from the bookstore. So 90 degree from the bookstore is the library. So total 135 degrees turn would be 45 degrees here and 90 degrees here, which brings you to the library. And this is because we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Clear, everyone? Number 11. Okay. Let's go to the next doubt. Number 14. Number 14 is also a reasoning question. Guys, I told you I'll not do reasoning questions. Still you people are giving me this. Look at this. This is triangle, circle, square. This is again square but rotated. Rectangle, circle. This one is triangle, square. So what is missing? Surely a circle is missing. So the only option which has a circle in the outside is option C. Say Parth.
Ma'am, but in my one, 48 was a part of mathematics.
Sorry, Parth.
Ma'am, in mine one, 14 was a part of mathematics.
Now all the numbers are hush posh now. Can anyone send me your file? Anyone who has got your file on the WhatsApp? Can you send that? Is that possible for anyone to send me the file? I'll share that one. Yeah.
I can send it. I can send it.
Yeah, please send it to me.
I'll
Meanwhile,
send
I'll wait. Yeah. Aradhya has sent me a message. Ma'am, you're better than my school maths teacher. You are funny, kind, and very pretty. Thank you for teaching better than our school teachers. Thank you for teaching us with kindness and patience. That's so sweet. The secret is that ma'am is not a teacher. That's why probably. I teach for fun, and that's where that fun comes out. Thank you so much, Aradhya. Don't miss out, please, to write it on the WhatsApp group, okay?
Ma'am, what we
Jia,
have
did
to
you
write?
send me
Ma'am, I'm sending it in 1 minute.
the table of 20?
Table of 20? So
Hmm.
simple, ma'am.
Very good. Right. Go. Bye. Tanisha, thank you so much. I'm so glad that you find me your best teacher. You're very polite. You teach us with kindness. Thank you. Question number 5, Tanisha. Which one? This. Wait. Let the new paper come and then I will send it. Jia, did you send it?
Ma'am, it's
Sadhna, I read
all.
your
I just need to
message.
copy paste it. I'll just
Okay.
send it.
Okay. Funny and made all the concepts clear in the class. Thank you, Jia. This here, it will not work, guys. You have
I
to
have
send it
also
somewhere
sent it.
else. 1 second. Don't talk in the middle, please. I get confused. One at a time. Parth, you're raising your hand. You want to say something? Ma'am, it's fine if I make a card for you and send it in the group. Please. I would love to print it and keep it with me. Please do that. Advika, all of us are very sad to leave you. Don't be that, please. It's okay. We'll meet very, very soon. Jia, did you send it? I'm not even able to rename myself. Tanisha, say that quickly, please.
Ma'am, I'm just pasting it. 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Tanisha. Yeah.
in the 14th one, I have done another method. Ma'am, can you show it?
Ma'am, I've sent it.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Jia.
like the circle is in the triangle, so the circle is now out, and the square was in, and the now square is out.
Okay, I understood. That's correct. Okay, fine. Ibrahim, say.
Ma'am, I was just about to send by making a card, but then I remembered that you are not in the group.
They will send it to me, no? They'll send all the messages to me. I'll tell them.
Okay,
Okay.
I've also said in the chat box.
That's so sweet of you, Ibrahim. I'll just check it right now. This is the question number. This is the paper. Thank you, Jia, for sharing this. Okay, so now according to this, the 11th question is this one, the math one only. So fine, let's do the math question. Say, Bhumik. Say,
Yes,
Bhumik.
ma'am.
Yeah, you're raising hand.
Yeah, ma'am. You get my chat personal.
Chat. I will do that.
My personal one.
Yeah, I'm checking it. So for question number 11, let's do this. Let's do 3 questions and I'll check. Is that okay, everyone? You're raising hand. I know you want to say something. Just 2 questions, just 11 and 14, okay? Look at this one. The given, you keep your hand raised only, no problem. The given table shows the number of adults and the park. So what fraction of the total number of people are there is children? Okay, so we have the total children as 60, okay? And then we need to find out the fraction of the total number of people. So total number of people here comes in as 100 and this is also 100. That means 200. So 60 children out of 200 total people makes it 6 by 20, which is 3 by 10. So that makes the answer as option A, 3 by 10. Is that okay? Someone had a doubt in the 11th one? Okay. Great. Aradhya Purvar, say quickly what you want to say.
Ma'am, have you read my message?
No, I'll read it. Just a minute. Huh? Vedant, say.
Ma'am, have you read my message?
Oh my God. You people are supposed to write your name and send it on WhatsApp. Otherwise, this entire class will go in this. Anyways, I'll still read it. Of course, I'll read it. Let me read 2 messages. Then I'll come back and do the 14th question. That way we can balance. Ma'am, please read the whole messages. Yes, Advika, I'll read it. So starting off with Advika's card, which she said. Then she said, ma'am, thank you for your support, kindness, love and respect and patience for the whole class. We're so grateful that we have a teacher like you. We are so sorry for the trouble we have caused you. All of us are very sad to leave you and we will see you next time, Advika. Thank you, Advika. That's so touchy, your message. I'll miss you guys too. Don't raise your hands, I'll come to you. Question number 14 first. Which of the following figures do not have a line of symmetry? Do not have a line of symmetry. Well, I cannot see P having any line of symmetry. Neither can I see Q having any line of symmetry. Let's check R. R also seems to have a problem vertically, diagonally, horizontally. Diagonal is possible. This diagonal is possible. Let me use a straight line. This diagonal is possible. So R has a line of symmetry and even S has a line of symmetry. So in that case, my answer would be P and Q, that is option D. Is that okay? Number 14, no doubts on 14? Aradhya Manoharan, please say.
Ma'am, I did not understand 11th question.
In the 11th question, Aradhya, you have to first count the total number of children. That is 60. That will become your numerator because they say what fraction of the total people were children. So were children means children in the numerator divided by the total number of people, which are 200. 100 from here and 100 from here.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood, ma'am. Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you, Aradhya.
Ma'am, also, can we send the messages in your comment section?
Of course, why not? Definitely. There also, and I would still recommend you Olympiad Success. I have a reason for that. The reason is that if they get to see these messages, they will immediately start a new quick one, the test series at least, which I'm talking about. And I really don't want to wait even for 1 week. I'm honestly saying this thing. I'm going to terribly miss you. I've always been with so many batches now, but you people are crazy. I'm saying this. You people are something different. That's why I'm saying no, I'm feeling very weird. Anyways, Rianshi, say quickly.
Have you read my message?
Oh, reading. Where is Rianshi? Here is Rianshi. So Rianshi says, thank you so much for teaching us with love and kindness. You're the best teacher. I'm going to miss you very much. Best teacher ever. Thank you for being better than my school teachers. You're the best teacher ever. I'm going to miss you very, 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 very much. Same here, Rianshi. Very much, honestly. But don't worry. We'll meet very soon. But ruk jao. You have a doubt? You can ask. Yeah.
I submitted 11A only, but it showed me 11 wrong.
Google form. I have told them already. There's some issue. They will fix it. Okay. It's good that you asked with, confirmed with me. Yeah. Okay. So number 14. After that, one more quick doubt. Then we'll take Janvi. Janvi, you want to say, ask a doubt? You want to
No,
say
ma'am.
something? Okay, say quickly.
Ma'am, did you read my message?
Oh, okay. Reading. It is sad. I finally found a great teacher, better than my school teachers, and now the classes are gonna be over. And I'm about to cry and go crazy, but I'll comment on your video after I delete my floppy video. I'll miss you. No, don't delete it, please, Janvi. And thank you so much for staying and staying with me for so many classes. I really enjoyed all of your company, and it was always fun. I would not lie here, guys. I'm not saying this to make you people feel happy, but this is my honest, something I'm saying out of my heart, that you saw 2, 3 days. I mean, I think 1, 2 weeks back, I was having a terrible fever, very, very, very sick. I didn't really wanted to sit also in my chair, but it was just your classes which gave me the motivation that no, 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 I will take this. I will not miss it. And I want to sit because meeting you people itself is a big thing for me. Talking to you is a big thing for me, and I will not be able to explain why, honestly. But there's a connect, and that's the reason why probably I'm able to deliver the way how I teach or how I explain things to you people, because I don't do it to complete syllabus. That's why we are running here, as you see. But then I teach to make you clear about the concepts. That's why we are late. But then again, um something different with you people, and that's why always very close to the heart. And I know I'm gonna meet you very soon, so I'm able to control myself because I know I'll see you people very, very soon. Thank you, Janvi, for your lovely message, and I need it in WhatsApp. Okay, I've planned to make a board and then paste all your messages cutouts there. Okay,
Ma'am,
coming
what if
back to the question. Mhm.
Ma'am, like,
What?
what if I paste it in your YouTube channel?
Same thing. I mean, it's okay, but as I said, Olympiad success should also know about it. No, then otherwise they will give you different batches with different teachers. Is that okay with you?
No.
32 number. We'll go to the 30-second question quickly. This is the 30-second question here. Yeah. Anyone had a doubt before 32? I missed.
Ma'am,
You can say directly. Yeah. Samriddhi. Are you speaking, Samriddhi?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could I off my video from that time? I'm saying because, ma'am, right
It's
now.
okay. It's okay. You don't have to ask. It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to ask. It's completely fine. Okay, question number 32, everyone. Have a look quickly and
We
I'll
need
come
to
to you.
question number 30, right?
30 is also a doubt.
No,
I
it's
don't
written.
see it in the main chat.
You have written 21, 25, 30, 32, 33.
Oh, at the top. Yes, I missed that message. 21 is also a doubt. It's 34, guys. We need to speed up. I am really very, very, I would consider myself very, very rich that I'm getting so much of your love here in this chat, but we'll also have to consider the time. Okay, don't miss out on that. And you know where to send me the messages, so don't have to worry about it. Okay, you can send it to Olympiad Success. They'll send all the messages here. They should also feel that the group is getting flooded with the messages. Find the number of place values of encircled digits in the given numbers. So this is decimals, everyone. This one comes as 4 by 10, that is 4/10. Okay, so that is 0.4. And this one is on the left side of the number system. So on the left side of the dot, that means this is 10th place, unit place, 10th place. So if I add both of them, that is 10.0 plus 0.4, then I would get a 10.4. That is option C. Any doubts you can directly say because people are raising hand for other things also. Any doubts? No? Okay. Then I'll quickly read Bhumik's message. Fantastic teacher. Thank you. Thank you. That's so great. 1 second. Okay. So, 1 second, I missed a little bit. Yeah, 11, 30 and 50 are your doubts. Bhumik says you're a fantastic teacher in the world. I will miss you very much. Don't worry, Bhumik, I'll miss you too. And done. I saw your tortoise with a heart also. Thank you, Bhumik. Okay. All right, let's go. Who else is raising hand? Arnav, say quickly.
When did you read my chat?
Yes. Okay. Oh, Arnav, 1 second, Arnav. I did not read your chat. I thought Bhumik said that. Okay, fine. So, yeah, Arnav, let me read it quickly. Then I'll go to Ibrahim. 1 second. Where is it? Arnav. Same pinch. Like everyone said, you are so lazy, Arnav. What to tell you? Ibrahim, say.
Ma'am, say.
And pinch spelling is also wrong. P-I-N-C-H, not P-E-A-C-H. Peach. What is same peach? Same pinch. Yeah, Ibrahim, same means what? Same pinch. Okay. Aditi, say.
Yeah, chat also.
Ma'am, have you read my message?
Wait a second. Let me quickly go to Aditi's chat. Where is Aditi's chat? Where is Aditi? Hey, Aditi, I don't see your chat.
Ma'am, my message.
Oh, wait. No, Ibrahim, I'll just check. You're way, okay, I can't count this big number. There are too many zeros here. So you're way better than my school teachers with a lot of zeros, and you are the sweetest teachers in Olympiad success. Thank you so much. And thank you for the detailed solution. That is very, 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 very appreciated. Thank you, Aditi. And I love your unboxing videos again. Huh? I just love it. You are inspiring me that I will also post some unboxing videos. I've got few things and I'll open up and make videos on that. Seriously, you motivated me. Parth Padwal. Then we'll go to question number 20. Wait,
Ma'am,
5.
can you
Hmm.
read my message?
Done, Parth. Just a second, quickly. Parth Padwal. Ma'am, I'll miss this class and your fun ways of teaching. You're the best teacher. Thank you so much. And I'll miss you too. But yeah, we'll meet soon. You didn't teach us math. You inspired us every day. Ma'am, I will miss this class and your fun ways of teaching. You're the best teacher. That's so sweet. That's so matured. Thank you so much. That's a big thing. Take 25 number, then I'll take more people. Sorry for the delay, but I have to take the doubts also. At 11 a.m., the temperature was 32 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour, it got up by 7. So 32 plus 7 is 39. And then after 1 hour, it got down by 3. So it became 36. So now the temperature 32. After 1 hour, it went to 37. Yeah, so 39. And then after every 1 hour, oh, I did not read the question. See? After every 1 hour, it got down by 3. So it was 11 o'clock when it was this. It was 12 o'clock when it was this. So again, a -3 is what we are supposed to do and get the answer as 33 degrees Celsius. 25 number clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Arnav?
ma'am, I didn't understand this method.
This method is plus and minus. So gone up means plus. So 32 plus 7 is 39 degrees at 12 o'clock because 11 plus 1 is 12 p.m. And after every 1 hour, you are reducing the temperature by 3 degrees. So at 1 p.m., your temperature would be 36. And at 2 p.m., the temperature will be 33. So that's your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Say, Shania.
Ma'am, did you read both of my messages?
Reading, Shania. Ma'am, you're the best teacher and taught us nicely. Hopefully, your YouTube channel gets more love. It was the best time with you. That's so sweet. Thank you for the good wishes. I really need that. Otherwise, the problem is, Shania, no one wants to learn. You people are studious people, but then others don't want to learn. So, educational channel growing is very difficult, honestly. But let's see, with your wishes, it can grow. You're very pretty and the most amazing teacher in the world. Thank you. Sweet of you, Shania. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
Same
you.
miss
peach,
you.
ma'am. Same peach, ma'am.
I really beat you in the last class. And I hope there is a feature of Zoom which comes in which I can punch my computer and your computer screen breaks. Manvik, say
Ma'am, can you read my message?
message. Thank you for the previous year paper. Firstly, I saw it right now. And you said that, ma'am, actually best in the world. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you, Manvik. Manvik, you have been very special. You are that one kid whom I hear in every class, you know. Every class means every class of this batch. You have always been asking questions, being curious, and also giving solutions. Thank you so much. Be like you are. And you also learn. That's a good habit of you. I have taught you, apart from maths, few other things also, like how to say something. And you have always taken that positively. Thank you that. Thank you for that. You know, that's something which people don't have a habit of. They get really carried away that, oh, someone told me about this. But then you have always taken it positively. Be a good human being just like you are. I'm very proud of you.
I'm pinch but same.
Thank you.
But this time is different.
Nanika, say, and then I'll take question number 30.
Can you please check my chat?
Yes, sure. Ma'am, you're the best teacher in the world of education. Thank you. Ma'am, I'll miss you very, 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 very much. And don't cry, Nanika. There's nothing to cry. I'll definitely meet you people soon. Very, very soon. Okay? Ma'am, you teach us well like a Mahayuga. Oh, wow. Better than my school
I read
maths
it in
teacher.
some kind of like
Ma'am,
the
you gave us inspiration for studying maths. This is something I wanted. Thank you so much. That you should not feel scared from maths. That's very important. Thank you, Renika. That's such a sweet message. I want to
Ma'am, check
frame this.
mine
You people promise me you'll be sending it on WhatsApp also, okay? Because I would need it, as I said. What is the missing? Aradhya, wait, guys, please wait. Missing number in the number box. Okay, this question type is called as working backwards. So for finding out this answer, you will have to work backwards. Whenever they said multiply with 3, you're supposed to divide with a 3. So 450 divided by 3 would be 150. So this part is 150. Now, when they say plus 25, do a minus 25. You get 125. Now, here when they say divide by 4, you multiply by 4. And that's how you get the answer as 20, 2, 8, 10, 1, 5, 1.
Ma'am, I
Option
can't
B.
see the screen.
I can't understand
You have to do everything in the opposite direction. In order to find out the answer and not use options, you have to do everything in the opposite direction. So write the entire question in the opposite way. 450 divided by 3 minus 25 and into 4. And don't apply BODMAS. First do part A, then do part B, and then do part C. So when I first divided 450 by 3, I got 150. Then I subtracted 25 from 150. I got 125. And then I multiplied 125 with a 4. Now it's okay? Jia, others? Understood?
Ma'am, can we do option elimination?
Yes, but it will be a little time taking. If you're fine with that and you feel that it's not difficult for you, you can definitely do this. Okay? Okay. Done. 1 second. Anyone else? Any doubt on this? No. Okay, fine. Then let's go to the next hand raise. Where is it? Vedant. Say Vedant fast.
Ma'am, can you please read my chat?
I read it, right?
Ma'am,
Didn't I?
ma'am, you did not read it.
I did not. Okay. I'll just do it. 1 second. Do. It will hurt. Don't do. I'll come now. 1 second. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, Vedant reading 1 second. Vedant. My God, this thing is not working. Vedant. 1 second, guys. This is not working. Samriddhi Srivastava, I'll come to you. Don't worry. I haven't heard you once also. Just a second. Vedant, I don't see your message. Wait. It's such a long list. You have gone down somewhere. Here I get you. Got it. Okay, so let's go. Dear ma'am, you're my favorite teacher. You're who inspired me to become this great, and you have taught us with joy, interest, cooperative, and helpful. Kindness, funny. You are way, 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 way better than the other teachers, not just school teachers, but any other teacher. Happy to see you in future. Extremely happy to see you in future, Vedant. I want to see you achieve more and more in life, and then I'll be so proudly saying this. That, Vedant was in my class. I'll miss you, but also I don't want to wait that much until I meet you again. Same here, Vedant. That's why I'm saying write the message there on WhatsApp. Salute to you. Oh, thank you. All right, fine. Okay, then. Samriddhi Srivastava first. Then let's go.
Ma'am, I have, could you read my message?
Yes, Samriddhi. Sure. You are the most brilliant maths and reasoning teacher. I love you so much, ma'am, and I wish you would be there the whole day. Oh, that's so sweet. Love you more, Samriddhi. That's so sweet. Samriddhi, your games are the best and your method of teaching is spectacular. We'll miss you. We'll miss you more. Don't worry, Samriddhi. We'll still meet on reasoning classes, and then after that, we'll have more classes and more classes and more classes. Okay. Aradhya
Yes.
Purvar, sorry, I'm keeping you waited.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Samriddhi. Sorry,
Uh,
sorry.
ma'am, your hand is raised, ma'am.
I'll just take it down. Don't worry.
May I go to the washroom?
Yeah, sure. Bye. Come back soon. 32. Oh my God, that's a long one. So let's do this long one. Then we will take both the Aradhyas one after the other. Don't raise your hand. Your hand will hurt. Then you will don't remember me with love, but you will remember me in pain. And oh my God, my hand is hurting because the entire class I was doing this. Don't do that. Okay, let me solve this one first. So we will go first with the BODMAS method. Okay. In the case of BODMAS, what do we do? In the case of BODMAS, we first multiply bracket, solve the bracket. So 6.5 into 2. Let's consider there are no decimals. So 65 into 2 is 130, right? Now we know that there are 2 digits after the decimal. So the answer is 1.3. So this thing gives me a 1.3. Everyone okay till here? So the second thing which we are supposed to do is divide. So 225 divided by 9. Let's say I'll directly go by the division method. 9. 9 times 2, 18. Leaves me with a 4. 5 comes down, 25. Because 9 times 5 is 45. Now the actual question had 2 digits after the decimal. So my answer will also have 2 digits after the decimal. This part becomes 0.25. Any doubts till here? No? Okay. Just remember this in case you don't remember it. Just remember this in case you don't remember this. 1 by 8 is 0.125. 1 by 8 is 0.125. And if you don't remember this, then you can divide it and check it. Like you can do 9 divided by 8. And then you can do the same process. Like 1 comes here, this gives you 1, then you put a dot, then you get a 0, then you put 1, then you put 2, then you put a 0, then it continues, okay? It continues till you get a 5 here and this becomes 40, so 0. So this part becomes 1.125. And if you people remember that 1 by 8 is 0.125, then no need to do this entire calculation. Till here, is it okay? I have simplified everything. Now I will add.
Ma'am, can we do it like 1 in 8 into, like when you do it, then can't we just do it like
Can't.
make this enough
Yeah, 1 point
decimal?
something. No, I want to convert everything into decimals. That's why I did this. Because
Okay,
my
ma'am.
final answer is in decimals. Yeah. So now we will take 0.25. We will add 1.125 to it. So padding, I get a 5, I get a 7, I get a 3, I get a 1. I get 1.375. From here, I'm going to subtract 1.3. Minus 1.300. I'll get 5, I'll get 7, I'll get 0.0. So what's the final answer I get on the left-hand side of this entire equation? 0.075. Yes?
Ma'am,
Now,
you can cancel two options, right?
yes, we can. We can option eliminate A. We can option eliminate maybe B also. No, not sure. We will multiply. So listen everyone carefully. Now the question is 0.075 is equals to what multiplied with 1 by 4? So if I shift the 1 by 4 to this side, will it become into 4? Will it become into 4? Replace it. Just 1 by 4 will become reciprocal, 4 by 1. So into 4, right? So that means my answer would be, let me change the color of my pen, 0.075 multiplied with a 4. So 5 times 4 is 20, 2, 7 times 4 is 28, 2, 30, and this is 3. And this is 0. So what will be my final answer? 0.3. The double zeros doesn't matter. So option B is the right answer. Doubts? Ask.
Ma'am, you took the 1 by 4 to the other side. So multiplication would become division, no?
Yeah, so that's exactly what happens. You have to divide by 1 by 4. And dividing by 1 by 4 means multiplying with the reciprocal. That's why I shifted it and made it 4 by 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, thank you. Say, Aradhya Purvar, message?
Ma'am, you didn't read my message. You said you will read it.
I'll read it right now. You're the best math teacher in the world. I'll miss you so much. I'll miss you more, Aradhya. There will be always something which will be missing, but I know we will still meet back very, very soon. So no need to worry about it. Aradhya Manoharan, you tell me. Thank you for your lovely message.
Thank you. Ma'am, you did not teach us math, you taught us magic.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's such a big thing, Aradhya. Thank you. And thank you for patiently waiting for me to call you also. You guys are more patient than I am because you have the waiting time. You can wait till you get a chance. Thank you so much, Aradhya. That's so sweet. That's the best thing. Thank you. Bhumik, say quickly. Oh, message.
Ma'am, I have made paragraph for you. Please
Okay.
say.
I'll read it right now.
Ma'am,
My
you won't
favorite
have
teacher.
time.
I would. This is something which can wait, Jia. I cannot stop reading this because this is someone's hard work for me and I have to read it. If we lose time, no problem, we'll extend. I have deliberately cancelled my other classes because yours last class is today and I know it will take some time. So, little biased for you people, I would say. My favorite teacher, Priyasha ma'am. Priyasha ma'am is the coolest and the kindest teacher I know. She makes every class fun, exciting, and full of learning. Her smile lights up the room, and her way of explaining things is so easy to understand. She never gets angry and always listens to us patiently. This is not true. Whether it's maths or life advice, she always teaches everything with love and energy. She believes in us even when we don't believe in ourselves. That's so sweet of you, Bhumik. Thanks to her, learning feels like an adventure. I am really lucky to have Priyasha ma'am as my teacher. That's so sweet. You're supposed to send this on WhatsApp also, okay? Done? Thank you so much, Bhumik. That's so sweet of you. Such a sweet message. Thank you. And I do get angry.
Welcome, ma'am.
Tanisha, say.
After the two messages, send two more. Can you
Arey
read that?
Baba, Tanisha, please wait. I will really run out of time. And those who have already said once, you guys are now going to wait. Let me just do the three questions. Okay, I'm almost done. Very few questions are left, so don't worry. 33 is the next one, and then 40. Okay, 33, 40. Let me do that quickly, then I'll come to you. Bhumik, you can unraise your hand. All right, this is a lot of calculation, but let's see if we can do some approximation. 15, 18, and 12. So that's 15 plus 6 approximately, that is 21. look at this. 28 plus 45 is way big. So it's like 75 minus 2, 73, and 73 minus 20 is definitely going to be more, no? 73 minus 30, that's going to be 43. So 43 going to be definitely bigger than this number, and therefore we will write this sign. So what did I do in this question? I approximated it. I did not solve it. I just took the whole numbers. 15 plus 18 minus 12 is 21. Okay. And I took here 28 plus 45 is 73. And 73 minus 30 is 43. So that's how I got the answer first. 33 number, okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah, no.
ma'am, I have done this same method, but I think the sign would be B1.
No, it should be lesser because this one is 21. So 21 is less than what was the answer that side? Whatever. 40
My
something.
truck.
You did
Ma'am,
that
I have
mistake.
made a line for you.
Plan.
Line.
What? Light.
Line.
Line. Say.
Ma'am, you study maths us, but not in strict, in happy mood.
In happy mode. That is true. Okay. Question number 40. Thank you, Arnav. The workers in the factory worked for 8 hours, 30 minutes every day. And how much time will they work in 15 days if they work for the same time? Multiplication. Now, see, in this question, I would say that if you people are not comfortable in hours and minutes separately, then take it as 8.5 hours. Or if you want to take it completely into minutes, then take it completely into minutes, but it will be a very huge number. So what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of, what do you understand? Approximation. Let me tell you what. 15 days into 8 hours. Okay. How much is 15 times 4? 60. So double it, 120. That means my whole number is going to be 120 hours. My answer is surely going to be more than 120. Two options are gone. Now look at this. 15 days and 0.5 hours, or let's say 30 minutes. I'm surely going to eliminate option C. Do you know why? Even without calculating. Because 15 days are odd numbers. If it would have been even numbers, then 30 plus 30 would have made 1 hour. But if it is an odd number, I will surely be left with 30 minutes in the additional part. Yes or no? Yes. So that's how we solve this question without doing maths. Yes, we solved this question without doing full maths.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
can you tell me the multiplication after the multiplication? I was confused.
So after the multiplication means I only multiplied the whole number, that is the hours, with the number of days. I got 120 as my answer. So I know my answer cannot be 97 and 115 because they are less than 120. And my answer will surely be more than 120 because I am yet to multiply half an hours with 15. And then when I look at the remaining two options, that is option A and option C, I see that option A has no 30 minutes in it, which is not possible because 30 minutes will together make 1 hour. And that will happen only when we have even number of days, like 2 days, 1 hour, 4 days, 2 hours. But 15 days is odd number. So my answer should definitely have a 30 minutes in it, Jia. And that is present in option A.
Okay, ma'am.
Done. Any doubts, anyone in 40 number? No? Then I'm left with only 3 doubts. Yay, Tanisha. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Is there anyone whom I have not heard? No. Okay, Tanisha, say message.
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi, not heard. Manas, 1 second, Tanisha. I'll come to you after Manasvi. Say Manasvi, message.
Yes. Very funny.
You are also a role model for me. That's so sweet. That's such a nice and new thing you told me. Thank you so much. I'm glad you become like me. That's okay. But there are few things I'm not good at. Like I get angry. I think that's so she will hit us if we are offline. Yes, that's
Yes.
exactly what I said. See, before reading your second message, you read my heart. That's true. You people are safe on an online class. Otherwise, you would have seen floating things around. Just joking. I will get thrown out of my house if my mom hears this. Okay. Say Tanisha, I'll read your message quickly. 1 second. Where's Tanisha? Where's Tanisha? Tanisha. You're lost, Tanisha. Your messages are lost, I mean. Yeah, I saw you. No. Hey, I will paste this in front of the entire class, Tanisha. You have written angle. If you meant an angle, then it's very mathematical. If you meant an angel, then thank you.
I'm angel. I was taking
But
out
you wrote an
angle.
angle. So she has written, ma'am, you are like an angle. Yeah, math teacher angle is perfect. You are the cutest and the funniest teacher ever. Thank you. That is true. And I'm also an angle. Which angle you can tell me later. Say Aditi.
Acute
I am
angle.
a cute
Ma'am,
angle. Oh, I get you. That's a compliment. Thank you.
Ma'am, I
I have
sent you
guessed it.
2 messages.
Sorry, Aditi. Say that again.
Ma'am, I sent you 2 messages.
Why are you not stopping? I actually never want you to. But then the thing is that what to do? We have to do it in time. You're sweeter than honey and sugar. You're the best math teacher, English teacher, science teacher, and everything. Oh, looks like you have seen my videos. Yeah, you know everything and you're an inspiration to everyone. Thank you so much, sweetie. That's a very big thing you said. Thanks, Aditi. Thanks a lot. Question number 42. Sorry for keeping you people waiting again, but we will finish 42 first, please. Your hands were less. People have started raising hands suddenly in the middle. Neha wants to put, I can't speak. I lost my voice. I'm continuously speaking from that time. That's why. Neha wants to put a decorative ribbon around a rectangular shaped cloth. So the cloth is 36 meters long and 25 meters wide. That's the perimeter. That will help me with the perimeter. Find the total cost of the ribbon. If the cost is 55 rupees, that dash is the currency sign, dollars or rupees, which is missing here. So let's find out the perimeter. The easiest way to go, 2 times 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. And 61 multiplied with 2 is equals to 122. Am I right? Yeah. Now this one is going to be multiplied with 55 because the cost of 1 centimeter ribbon is 55 and I need how much of ribbon? I need 122. So 122 multiplied with 55, 6710. I did it on a calculator because I want to save time. 6710. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. So simple.
Thank you. Any doubts, anyone? 42? Clear? Okay. Samriddhi Srivastav, over to you.
Ma'am, I sent the message in WhatsApp.
Ah, perfect. This is the first perfect thing I heard. Thank you. This is most needed. Say, Mishika, message. I heard you. I did not hear you. You joined a little late, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, Mishika, I'll read it right now. Ma'am, you're the best Olympiad math teacher in your class. I always want to join for you. For you, make these online classes convert as a real. Oh, yeah. I really wish one day we meet face to face. I miss you so much. I'll miss you more, Mishika. But don't worry. We have so many classes together. We'll do more classes. Ma'am, you're the funniest and lovely math teacher I've ever met. Thank you, Mishika. I want to keep these screenshots, but I will really go crazy if I keep screenshots right now. So please message me on WhatsApp also. Please, they will send it to me. Thank you, Mishika. That's so sweet of you. Jia, say quickly.
Message.
This time, first time, I'm like running around the messages and checking it. Jia, roll number 4. Oh my God, I have a full form. Let's read from the starting, I think. P for pretty, R for not at all rude, I for I love you, Y for do not yell, A for angel with the right spelling, S for smart at maths and a lot, H for heart loving ma'am, A for awesome teacher. Thank you. That's so sweet. That's so unique. It was the first joining Olympiad success, and I loved a teacher like you. That's so sweet. You better tell Olympiad success about it.
Ma'am, same
My God.
page.
The thing which Manasvi said, remember? That sometimes she feels that I'll come and hit you. My heart got mad when I meet you, and I'll miss you a lot. Salute to you and teach. You teach more like this? Okay. And you teach my school teachers to be like you. Oh my God. That's a big thing. Don't say that. I want to meet you face to face. Me too. Don't worry, Jia. We will definitely meet one day, very soon. 43. Where do you live, Jia?
Ma'am, Hyderabad.
Done. Okay. 43 number is the next doubt. Let me go to the main chat. No, not 43. 44 and 45. Okay, okay. We are very close to completion. 40. Hey, I have problem with my memory. 44 and 45. Yes. So let's do 44. Amit used 150 bricks, each of the length 30 meters. Don't worry, these are the last two questions. Then I'll read the messages and we'll play games, okay? Each of the length 30 meters, 30 centimeters and the breadth is 18 centimeters to tile the backyard of his house. What is the total area? See, again, guys, we need the area of one brick and then we'll multiply this with 150 bricks to know the total area. So area of one brick is 18 times 30. Right now I'll do 3. 8 times 3, 24. 2, 54. Extra 0, extra 0. That means one brick's area is 540. And then I am supposed to multiply this with 550 to get the total area. Again, calculator. 540 multiplied with 150 would be 81,000. Just to save time. 81,000. Is there a doubt, anyone? 44? So let me quickly cover 45 and be done with the questions. Question number 45.
Doubt.
Ask. Doubt. Who?
Mishika.
Mishika, doubt, say.
Ma'am, fifth question.
45th.
Ma'am, fifth.
Back. The reasoning question.
Yeah.
Mishika, we can take it in the reasoning class now. You are there in my reasoning class, right?
Ma'am, it answers there.
So he will do it. Same thing. You guys are together. No problem. Question number 45. School bus covers a distance of this much kilometers in one day. So how much will it cover in 35? Again, it's a multiplication question, everyone. This shouldn't be a problem. The only thing is that it's big. So you will have to solve it. Okay, step by step. Let's say 5 times 5 is 25, 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 12, carry 1, 35, 36, 3. 8 times 5 is 40, 40 plus 3 is 43. Now I'll put a cross. 5 times 3, 15, carry 1, 6, 7, 21, 1 and 2. And 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. So now I'll add 5, 7, 13, carry 1, 5, 10, 1, 3. So look at the digits only. 305375. Option C. Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am. So simple, ma'am.
Thank you. Fine.
Ma'am,
Shivani.
ma'am, can I tell you one thing? It's one line.
1 second, Jia. Just 1 minute. Say, Shivani.
Okay. Ma'am, when I actually gave the same answer, in the answer key it said it was wrong.
Google form has issues, Shivani. That's okay. Jia, say, then I'll go to
Ma'am,
Bhumik.
Ma'am is
Ma'am,
One by one. No, Arnav, I'm not listening to you. 1 second, Bhumik. Jia first. Yeah, Jia, say.
Ma'am, scoldings are not scoldings. They are love.
You'll make me cry. I'm telling you, don't say this. I have to also survive a full night today. If you people say this, I will remember this and I'll cry, and then my mama will make fun of me. So what kind of a teacher are you? You're crying. Don't do this. She's right behind. She'll listen to me. Now she's laughing, listening to the things, and now then she'll laugh at me saying that, oh, you're such a baby, you cry.
Ma'am.
Bhumik, say. No, Arnav, wait. Yeah, Radha, it's okay. Bhumik, say. 1 second, Radha, just a minute. Sorry. Doubt I heard now. Say Bhumik. Bhumik, you're muted, Baba.
Ma'am,
So, yeah.
ma'am, ma'am,
Hmm.
my chat.
I'll check. Say, Aradhya, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, I said 46. I mean 46 question.
Radhya, I just told you, no, that's in the recording. Can you please watch it? Please, we are running late already. Please watch the recording. If you still don't understand, you can tell me again. I mean, of course, we'll not have a class, but I can record something or maybe I can write the answer and send it to you on WhatsApp. I can do that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
if your mom makes fun of you, someone will save you.
No, I'm just kidding. I mean, she wants to cheer me. That's why she'll make fun of me because otherwise I will cry. Say, okay, Bhumik, I'll read it. Manasvi, say. And now we have to wait. Manasvi, say.
Ma'am, should I copy and paste this chat in the
Yes, please.
WhatsApp
To
group?
to WhatsApp, please. I need this. I don't want to miss out on this, yaar. I'm so I can't tell you. Okay, fine. This is a very long one, Bhumik. What are you doing? I already lost my voice. One side I am getting so good things, and another side I'm not able to read them also because there's so many. Okay, fine. I'll read it. My favorite teacher is Prasha ma'am. She's one of the most inspiring and kind-hearted teachers I've ever met. Her way of teaching is so clear and interesting that every student enjoys and understands the lessons easily. She always explains even the toughest topics with patience and makes sure that no one is left behind. Thank you. Prasha ma'am is not just a teacher in the classroom. She's also a guide and a mentor who has encouraged us to do the best and believes in ourselves. She uses creative methods to teach and often shares real life examples to make learning fun and meaningful. Wow, you wrote all of this yourself. That's so sweet. What I love the most about her is that she listens to us and makes us feel important. That's a very big thing. Thank you. She is always calm, polite, and supportive. Whenever I have a doubt or feel confused, I can always go to her without any hesitation. Thank you. Her smile gives me confidence and her words motivate me to work harder. She treats me, every student, nothing is there after it. And yeah, Priyasha full form, pretty. Rough. Oh, equal. Thank you, Bhumik. P for pretty, R for rough work, math rough work. I for I love you more. Y for voice like yogurt. Okay. A for adventurous teacher. S for sushi. I don't like sushi. H for hardworking. A for awesome. D for dragon. Yes, I'm a dragon. Anytime fire can come out. S for yeah, sometimes I go shh. When I'm very, very angry, then I'll go shh. When I'm not very angry, I shout at you people. Okay, fine. And now finally you say now, and then we'll start with a game, guys. I will read the messages, but
Ma'am,
while we are playing. Yeah.
the world best, ma'am. Who is the world best, ma'am? Priyasha Das, ma'am, is the world best, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you
That's really, really sweet. Thank you so, so, so much.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
the whole class say together that you're the best teacher?
Read what?
Ma'am, photo.
Can we all
Yeah,
sit
photo.
together
So,
once?
yeah, first photo, and then we will go with the game. One
Miss
blue kit and one game kit. Okay. Anything
Ma'am,
randomly. We will
Miss
spin a
Pinky.
wheel.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
can I
my
once talk to the whole class?
No.
Once.
ma'am,
What?
can you my chat?
Okay, Jia wants to say something to the class. So, Jia, go ahead first.
I don't want you to hear it. So,
Ah, okay, fine. I am going.
yeah, bye. Let's all say something to ma'am together. I think if you're fine with it. I don't know.
Yes.
I'm in.
I don't know. I don't know.
We love Priya
I
Sharma,
don't know. Never. I know.
But we have to say that you can discuss. I mean, what do you want to say, everyone?
We love you, ma'am.
We love Priya Sharma.
How about ma'am?
Fine, done.
Same beach, ma'am.
Love you.
Okay, ma'am, you can come back.
Same beach, ma'am.
I'm back. Okay.
Bye.
So,
Whatever.
fine.
I don't know what the heck is happening. The chaos around here, man.
Vedant, you're blabbering.
I don't know what the chaos is happening here. Like almost a chaos is happening here. I don't
That's
know.
for a good thing. Okay, fine.
Too
You
much
guys
chaos.
are ready? Or I will start the spinning wheel.
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
whatever you want to say.
Please group no hack.
First, can we give our surprise?
What surprise? Say.
Okay, 3, 2.
We love you.
Love you, ma'am.
Love you, ma'am.
We love you.
We love you, man.
Arey.
We love you,
You
ma'am.
people will, you have made full ideas to make me go emotional or what by the end. Don't do that, please. I request you and thank you so much for all your love.
We are
Okay, listen to me first. Thank you so much. And second thing, we are already late. I don't want you people to be late. So listen to me carefully. I'm spinning the wheel. We'll have one blue kit and one gimp kit. It should be something which is interesting, of course, because there are many names here. And the second thing, while I give you the link, can you people join in those 2-3 minutes? I will read the messages one by one. Whatever, I have 43 messages pending. Okay. And don't send anything new here. Now send it on WhatsApp. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
No. Wait 1 second. 1 second. Let me spin the wheel, get it done, and then I'll come to you. Okay. Otherwise, we will never end this. Your class will go to 10:30 today.
Ma'am, are we
Okay, it
having
looks like it will
commentators
stop at
today?
Gold Quest. Gold Quest, one blue have Gold Quest, and yeah, one by one. So Sanika, say quickly.
Did plain gold quest in yesterday's class. Sorry.
Miss Shika, wait. Say Sanika quickly.
Ma'am, where do you live and where are you from?
I'm from Jamshedpur, that lies in Jharkhand, the eastern part of India.
So do you are you right now
I
living
live here
in
only, yeah.
Oh,
I live here only. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, can we play till 10 o'clock?
No, Tanisha. Absolutely not. I'll definitely extend, but not so much. Okay? Yes, Samriddhi. Srivastav.
Sarthak wants to say something.
Sarthak, say.
I miss you.
Don't worry. Samriddhi's classes are over from maths. It's still there for reasoning. You keep this for the reasoning class now. You will still see me.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, don't speak like this. I can't hear. Aditi, say. I'll just set the link up.
Ma'am, since it is the last class, can we have commentators?
You want to be the commentator? But how would you commentate on Gold Quest, Aditi? See, I will share my screen, but it will only say who has shared, who has won, who has not. It's okay if you want to do that, but you will not be able to play. So are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Can
Done. Okay,
can I
you can
comment
comment.
Ma'am, can I commentate for the second one?
Girls could comment.
Yeah, second one, Jia. It's okay. All right. Ibrahim, say.
For me.
Ma'am, I also wanted to
Ma'am,
comment.
record these games.
I'll record this game. That is fine. You guys join with any name you want to. And guys, don't rush for commentating. Then it will be very difficult for me to choose. Okay. So let's play and play it out, right? I mean, if you really find commentating that interesting a thing, you can do it. But the thing is that, yeah, then in that case, I will also not be able to play. So think about it, Aditi, Jia, Ibrahim. This will be difficult because I will also not be able to play. So let's play it together. Let's record this game. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. All right. Yeah, Aditi, say. Nothing? Okay, Nanika say. And I'll read the messages now, so I'm not listening to anyone. Say Nanika. Say
Nothing.
Nanika.
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay, nothing. Part say. Nothing. Your hand is raised. Boomik say.
Ma'am, you got that.
Don't.
Ma'am, I'm
Don't.
saying. Ma'am, I'm saying.
Okay. I'm also joining. So, wait.
I was
I'm not
saying
sure
that.
how we will record it.
Ma'am, I
Yeah,
will.
Boomik.
Ma'am, I will comment on your channel.
How would you commentate? I will not be sharing my screen.
Ma'am, I will comment on your channel.
Oh, comment it there. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, Pat. Yeah, I'll definitely check it. Okay, I am also in, and you people would guess my name, okay, when you take some gold from me. And let me keep a different one also, so that you don't understand
camera.
my.
Camera.
Yeah, camera went off because I connected my other, what do you say, call that, mic, because we are recording it. So it's okay, don't worry. Don't see me for a few seconds, minutes. I'll just record it. 3 goes. Remind me later. 1 second, 1 second. Just a second. Everyone is in. Yeah, I think so.
Not able to play.
Everyone is in, right? I'm not waiting for anyone.
Yes, I'm
Ma'am,
not.
I'm in, but
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm in.
Okay, fine then. Okay, everyone, we are recording and we are getting started with the game. So all the very best. We know all the instructions. So let's get started directly. Let's guess the names. Oh, I got a 50% lose in the beginning. Hanifa, thank you for the money. I love you, ma'am. Who is this? Y'all can reveal, guys. Someone has taken my name, Winning Chicken. Winning Chicken is taking money from Winning Chicken. Wow. Okay. Oh my God, 7 a.m. Who's 7 a.m.? Let me swap back. No. I will swap with Aditi Einstein. She has more gold. Love you, ma'am has 2,000 goals. Oh my God. Thank you for this. Loose chicken. That's a parody of my name. Okay, I lost 25%. Not cool. 11, 12, 5. After this, we'll take a group picture together. Don't forget. 10.
Ma'am, will you check the accuracy?
Not really, but if you're 100%, then yes.
So
8.
you will.
Oh my. I would. 5. Swap. Aditi, swapped with you. Thank you so much for so much gold. 4. How long is the game? Oh, 2 minutes and 32 seconds left. The current board is with Yash at the top. Hanifa took gold from me. Today, please spare me, guys. How do you guys know that my name is the most loved? I mean, okay, I told it right now. But then still people were taking gold from me, even if I was not at the top. How is this possible? How do you know me? Mishika, got you. Thank you, Mishika. That's a lot of gold. Oh my God, I love you, ma'am. Pop. You don't love me. You're swapping gold with me. Catchy cat. That's a nice name. Shriyan has so much gold. 7, 15, 7, 10. Oh my God, chicken jockey eco. I remember someone keeping this eco name. 9, 30, 7, 20, 13. Oh my God. Shriyan took some from you again. Who is unmuted? Mishika. Mishika is not happy. I'm still about to read your messages, so I'll read it after this. And we'll take a picture, then I'll read your message. Who is this? GDBD? Yeah, sure. Winning Chicken has so much gold. Thank you. But that's not me. 9. How much time is left? Poco. 29 seconds, guys. Do your best. Double gold. Lost 25% also. Aditi, you have so much gold. Aditi, come. That was the fastest revenge. Oh no, I was about to click on swap. I came 7th. I was the most loved. Congratulations. Do you know me? Vedant
just
Royal,
one
I'm a
rank
champion.
up from him. Ma'am, just one
Wow.
rank up.
Champion, ma'am.
And ma'am,
Champion.
and ma'am, I was the one.
Check the winning check.
Okay, great. Wait, let me turn on my
Ma'am, at
camera.
one time, 4 people
Turn on your
constantly
camera,
took gold
everyone.
from me.
Yeah,
4
yeah,
people
that's fine.
constantly.
How did it
Took gold from me.
I don't know. Okay. Guys, chill. Everyone, turn on your videos quickly. Hanifa, I just want your video for few seconds. We'll just take a quick picture together and we will be done. Okay? Quick. Thank you, Hanifa. What?
Second
Hands,
GIMP kit.
1 second. First, let's take a picture. Hands down. Manasi, Bhumik, hands down. Ibrahim, video. Samriti Singh, can you turn on the camera now?
Ma'am, my video is not working. 1 second.
Just try once again. We'll take a picture. We don't want to miss you in this. And I think everyone is ready. Mishika, I can see the
Yes.
wall. Yeah.
Ma'am, thank you
Okay, fine.
ma'am.
That. Yeah, Bhumik.
Thank you
Okay.
Angel Falls.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay, guys, ready? Samriti, we are still waiting for you.
ma'am,
Don't shout, Arna. What happened?
ma'am, you are the Angel Falls, the longest waterfall.
Thank you. That's so sweet for you. Aditi, I read your message. That's so sweet. Guinness World Record message. Congratulations, Priyasha ma'am. You have won the record of
Ma'am.
being the best teacher in the world. Please come to Los Angeles, USA to collect your prize. Oh, that's so sweet.
Ma'am,
That is too much I got from you people. Say Bhumik.
ma'am, how was my paragraph? First,
Very good,
first
Bhumik. The
small,
best.
second bigger. In group, this was
Thank you.
written. Ma'am, in the group,
Picture.
No, Samriti
was
is
written
joining.
the-
She just joined from a different
Is it-
device.
ma'am,
Okay, fine. Bhumik, I understood. Thank you.
excuse me, ma'am. Did you know what I have written in the? What you say?
Yeah,
It is written.
Bhumik, I read.
Is this written by a child himself? Extreme well written and very mature reading skills.
Exactly.
Excuse
That's
me,
what
ma'am.
I said. Okay, Samriddhi, I can see you. Thank you now. Oh my God, Ibrahim, what's that? Say, Samriddhi.
Come to South India at least once.
Yeah, Nanika, I'll definitely read it. Just a second. I'll read it loudly. Don't worry. Aradhya, you want to say something? We all are ready with the camera now, so we'll take a picture.
Yes.
Nanika, I'll read it.
Ma'am, do you know my sister?
Yeah, Madhulika, I remember her very well. I remember her full name.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Call her in the picture if she is free. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, everyone ready? Yeah, look at the camera, all of you. I'll take quick pictures. 1 second. Very good. Oh, reaction is. Yeah, got it. 3, 2, 1. Radhika, hands on. I have Madhulika. Okay. 3, 2, 1. One click. That's done. I'll quickly send it in the chat box. Then we'll take another one. This is done. You all can download it from there. And then 3, 2, 1. Another one. Done. Thank you so much. They all are coming. They are big messages. They are coming slowly, slowly. And now I'll read the messages
send
and then we'll
photo.
have a Q&A.
Man,
I've sent, I've sent.
Man, Gimkit.
We will, we will, we will.
So,
Nanika,
so beautiful.
yeah, sure. Whenever I come to Kerala, I would definitely contact you, Nanika. And ma'am, your scoldings are just steps for us to rise. Thank you so much for understanding that. That's a big thing. You make us feel important. That's such a big thing, Nanika. Thank you so much. Let's spin the wheel.
Ma'am, I want to sing a song for you.
Oh,
Ma'am,
so
now I
sweet.
got
Yeah,
to know
sure,
why
sure.
everyone is stealing from me. Because you said that you would change your icon, and I named
Your
my
name was Winning Chicken.
only.
That's why. Oh. Yeah, sure, Mishika. I'll hear it out.
Knockout.
Just a second.
Ma'am, now I will
Knockout.
change it.
Ma'am, not to play knockout.
You want to play knockout?
No.
Capture the flag is the best game.
Okay,
Mom,
raise
please
your
go
hand for
knockout.
knockout.
It's really boring.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, let's see.
Same.
Let's see, let's see.
To play knockout.
Let's see,
Capture the
let's see. Hold
flag,
on,
ma'am,
hold on.
please.
Slow down, Vedant. Shania, say.
Ma'am, so now since like the classes are over, will we still get practice sheets for the Olympiad?
Yes, you have the worksheets at the top, no, Shania? Above the live classes, you get worksheets also. You can try from there. I'll just show you. Okay, guys, look, she has an important question. So let me show you the answer of that question. So if you go to Olympiad Success, there is a section called as worksheets. Okay. So now you all can practice from there also. Some of you are already doing it from there. You all can, those who haven't done it can also practice some questions from there. So you used to generally go to live classes to do the homework, right? Now you can go to worksheets and practice from here. So if you take maths, then they will give you all the chapters here like computation operation, decimals, mock tests, money, time, percentage. So there are many, many. Okay, there are 60 I can see or more, 64. So you all can have ample practice material to practice from even after the class. Okay.
Ma'am, when is our Olympiad?
That depends, Jia. That depends on your school dates and also Olympiad Success will be telling you on WhatsApp. So nothing to go worry.
When Gia's birthday.
Yeah, we will open the chat for her. Manvik. Oh no, nothing from Manvik. 1 second. Samriddhi Singh. Say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now could you choose which character I have to play for Gimkit?
You can go for any cat. Any cat you can go for. Advika, say.
I have a rare insect that is Motika.
Then
Ma'am,
whatever you have rare, you can go for that. I'll just, guys, since it came out to be knockout, let's play it now and let's finish it. Otherwise, we'll spend a lot of time. Okay, let's not do.
Ma'am, crypto hack.
Ma'am, crypto hack.
Okay,
Crypto hack.
raise
Crypto hack.
Crypto hack. Raise your hand for that. Don't shout. Raise your hand for that. If it's more than half of the class, we can go for crypto hack.
Oh, my son.
18. More than half. Okay, crypto hack done. Okay. Advika, don't be depressed, sad, and emotional. We will meet very, very soon. Okay, I'm also not feeling good, but it's okay.
Ma'am, I have an important question.
Ma'am, I have a
Please,
birthday on
Advika.
15th August.
Guys, wait.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Advika, say.
Ma'am, I always thought that Jia and Janvi were like sisters and because they look alike.
So,
Miss, I just wanted to say that.
okay, fine. Say, Nanika. Hey, Harsh.
Please come to Kerala. Please.
Done, Nanika. Done. Sure. If I go there, I'll upload or I will let you know on YouTube. Okay. Say, okay, guys, there are lots of hands up. and I have 19 messages to read. And since I said that we will have a GIMP kit and a blue kit, so in GIMP kit, if you want to play knockout, raise your hand. Knockout. Knockout. We will discuss it. If it's not happening, then we'll go with crypto hack only. So there are no hands for knockout, not much. So let's go with crypto hack so that everyone is happy. Maximum people are happy. Okay. And sorry for the ones who don't like crypto hack. Let's just play it and do it fast. And I have to read messages and listen to Mishika's song. I have a lot of things to do. So let me please do it fast.
Ma'am,
Okay, I have a very
important
crazy
question.
thing to do right now. 1 second. 1 second. Arnav, say what you want to say. I'll just get the thing ready.
Ma'am, can you send these photos to WhatsApp group?
I have sent.
Oh,
See,
okay.
Yay!
Ma'am, I
see.
have an important
He is
question.
always ready. Multiply. Yeah, we'll have a quick multiplication quiz, easy.
Ma'am, 7 minutes.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
want
one
to
important message.
something.
No, not 7 minutes. 5 minutes
And
only. And listen,
two-digit-
I have an
two-digit
important message.
multiplication.
Wait. Single digit multiplication. Listen to me. You people will be like, we will meet after some time, of course, not immediately. So I just want to request you people something. You all are very, very intelligent, all of you. Okay. So I really want that you people practice things every day. I don't want you to sit for hours and hours, but if you're doing mathematics, just do few. Even if you are somewhere outside, just take a small question on your parents' phone and just do it. Because doing it every day is more than doing it for 5 hours before the exam. So keep this as your habit and always remember that whenever you finish the question, you recheck it immediately. Okay? Always recheck it immediately so that you would avoid any kind of mistakes which happens. Done? Promise me this thing you will do every day. Done? And here's the link to join Crypto Hack. Join fast.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have a
Bhumik, say
question.
Ma'am,
Bhumik.
may I please say record? I'm news reporter.
No, Bhumik, please. Sorry. I'm sorry to say that, but please let's keep it normal. Part say quickly, then I'll read the messages.
Ma'am, thank you for that.
Thank you, Bhumik. Yeah. Naman, okay, Sadhna's message says you're the best teacher in the whole galaxy. I'll miss you so much. You're a super teacher. Thank you so much, and I miss you more. Say, Naman. Say, Naman. And guys, join the link. I've sent the link already. Okay, nothing. Aditi, say. Hanifa, oh my God, to be
Ma'am, I
honest.
want,
Yeah, Aditi, say quickly, then I'll read Hanifa's message.
ma'am, I want to sign into, ma'am, I want to sign into Blookit and Gimkit just to play with you.
Sure. To be honest, yeah, this is Hanifa's message, guys. To be honest, you're so much more better than my math teacher in school because she gives about 40 questions for homework and she's not even kind and patient. So I'm lucky to have you as my math teacher. Just as because you practice, that's not something bad. You're more than my last Olympia, better than my last Olympia success teachers as you give us breaks and you also give us games to play. And you taught me in a way that I would remember, taught me in a way that I would remember you and your way of teaching and all the lessons you taught us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hanifa. That's really a touchy message. Say Samriddhi Singh, you're raising your hand quickly. Message. Best teacher ever will miss you. That's your message in the chat. Thank you so much. Yeah, Manasvi, I read yours as well. Ibrahim, hope you get the best teacher award this year. Thank you. I've been getting this for the last 4 years now. Let's see, this time, 5th time, it will be 5 times in a row. All because of you people, definitely. No, Yash, you can't play a sad song. We are not sad. None of us are sad because we all will be meeting very soon. So please, don't worry. Shrihan, thank you so much for teaching us and I'm so happy to be a student. I'm more happy to be a teacher. Thank you so much, Shrihan. You're very sweet. You're very, very sweet. Let's do it now. Okay, I'll
Ma'am,
join.
start
I'll
the
not
game.
join.
Can
What?
we start?
Of course, of course. And here we go. I don't care whatever loop comes, just let's play quickly. The last match of the batch. That's special. No instructions needed. Hey, we guys have been very late, huh? That's the last 5 minutes. And I will not have the courage to say anything after this. Okay? So we all will go after a bye. Please, I know it's weird and it's very weird, but I cannot handle this any longer. This is getting difficult for me. Welcome, hacker. Let me keep this password. Let's see if anyone can hack me with this password.
Ma'am, may I
Yeah,
do a magic? I
yeah.
can ring your phone.
Please don't do this. Let's play.
I am doing magic.
Okay, fine. Who's I love you, ma'am? By the way, I got your password.
Ma'am, will you check it?
Vedant Royal. And Mishika, once you're done, you can sing a small one. Not very emotional.
Yeah.
Who's Zans? Manvik, you're very silent today. All good? Oh no, Vedant, come on. This guy got me. I'm getting everyone's password wrong. Samriddhi Singh, you want to say something? Go ahead. Yash, this is time to check you. Let's see if I get your password correct. No. Oh my God. This time let's see. Got you, Yash. Second time got you. Janvi is also very silent today. What happened, Janvi? You generally are not so silent. Petunia. I remember last class it was Shivani. Oh, the game is over. Okay, let's have the look. Don't do. Oh my God, 18th. Wow, pathetic. Again, the same thing happened. Manvik, congratulations. And my game is still not ending for some reason. Winning Chili. Best class, the champion, the most loved. Hey, this
Best
was
class
not
is
me.
me.
Ma'am, always like third.
Oh,
Always third, ma'am.
okay, okay,
Now
Arnab.
I am second first time.
Ma'am, I'm
MFT?
fourth.
MFT?
Miss
Math
LSP means
favorite teacher?
my favorite teacher.
Oh, thank you. 7 a.m. Aditi, sad chicken.
I'm the fourth person. I'm in the fourth person.
Okay, Nanika. So you are the most loved.
I want to say something.
Wait, Arnab. You cannot. Say Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, everyone has.
Yeah.
Almost everyone has me, ma'am.
This was me. But it shows that I'm 18th here. Here it shows 16th. Miss you, ma'am.
Also, the last shows I was
Ma'am, it's
blocked
me.
from the game.
Miss you, ma'am.
Uh,
I played.
great. Okay, fine, Samriddhi. Arnab, say quickly, then we'll sing to.
Ma'am, I was miss you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Don't say this.
ma'am, at
Please
every
don't say this.
Was second first time.
Wow, Aradhya. Arnab, say quickly.
guess my name?
ma'am, at
1
every
second.
turn I was getting hack.
Okay, Arnab.
And
Okay,
my-
Arnab.
And
Janvi, say.
both game I have
No, wait, Arnab. Janvi, say quickly.
Ma'am, you asked who was Jan's, right? That was me.
Oh, say Manasvi.
Ma'am, can you guess
It's too late, guys. We need to go. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am,
Can you guess my name?
Yeah, I called you. Oh, can you guess my name? No, say no. Winning chili. Then Tanisha was winning chili. Oh, catchy cat. Aradhya Manoharan. Say.
Ma'am, could you guess my name?
Don't give another task to me at the end of the night, please. Tell your name.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. I'll miss you a lot.
Oh,
Bye, ma'am.
Petuna, such funny.
a lot.
Can you guess my name?
Oh, it's very difficult. Don't give me a task.
Ma'am, can you please guess my name?
Ma'am, we forgot to wish Dia happy birthday.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I'll open the main chat for everyone.
One
Go
minute.
ahead, guys. Say Shivani. Mishika, 1 second. So sorry.
Ma'am, you guessed it right. It was Petunia.
Yeah. Part, say quickly. Part, say.
Ma'am, you said that yes password I got correct. And at the same time I was I think yes and I got it correct.
Wow. Perfect. Ibrahim, say.
Ma'am, if you would be teaching us for the past 3 years now, my sister will attend it next your class.
Past 3 years or next 3 years?
Next 3 years.
Your sister is elder, right? Or
No,
sorry, younger, right?
Yeah,
That's what,
yeah.
next 3 years. Yeah,
Yeah.
possibly, yes. Tanisha, say.
Ma'am, when I asked you, can we play till 10 o'clock? It's almost 10 o'clock.
It's almost 10 o'clock. No. I'll start getting calls from Olympiad Success. I've extended the class by requesting them already. Okay. Jia, say quickly. Shivani, hands down. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for
Ma'am,
wishing
the
Jia.
class was amazing and thank you for being a wonderful teacher. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. The class was
Thank you,
class
Jia.
was extremely amazing. It's sad that
Thank
this
you,
is the
guys.
last class,
Can
but
you guess
bye,
Bye,
my
bye.
ma'am.
name? Ma'am, can you guess my
Bye.
name?
Thank you.
Ma'am, when the class
One
was like,
second.
can't we describe it? Words.
Thank you, Arnav. That's a big thing. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Say
The class
Bhumik.
was great.
Ma'am, can you guess
Thank
my
you.
name?
Bye. Sanika, no. Give me some. Okay, please tell me. No, please.
It was Do You Know Me?
Oh, what's that now?
That was my name.
Oh, nice.
Bye, ma'am. The
Mishika,
class was
say.
amazing.
Oh, yeah, the
Bye,
song.
ma'am. The class
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. The class was great. Thank you for teaching.
Thank you, Anipa. Bye. I'll miss you.
Ma'am, yes. Say secret. Go on. Ma'am, I don't
Bhumik,
want to leave.
please.
Ma'am, I'll miss you
What
so
happened?
I don't
Nanika?
want to leave.
You don't want to leave. I also don't want to leave. But then I start getting calls from Olympiad Success. It will take time,
Ma'am.
guys. Let's go. I'm
Ma'am, may I
very.
say secret in the group?
No, Bhumik. Of course not.
Okay.
Say, Mishika.
Okay. Bye, ma'am. I'm trying to take extra classes, please.
That's something you can tell Olympiad success. Maybe we can catch up for more classes. Okay.
Ma'am, I
No
don't want
sad
to leave
goodbye,
class.
Ibrahim. Happy goodbye. And not goodbye. We are meeting again. So no goodbyes. Only a bye. A temporary bye. Bye bye everyone. Take care. See you. Bye. Take care. Go no. I don't want to leave you. You guys go.
No,
You can
ma'am.
click on the leave button.
Have you go. I don't know how to click on leave button.
Acha. Fine. Bye. I'm literally closing it, huh? Because then there will be another class. Maybe they will be waiting. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
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 ma'am.